Hey guys, it's Jay from CrapProtect.com, and today we'll be going over how to create a Windows 10 installer USB on a Mac. So the first thing that you want to do is you're going to want the ISO, and the best place to get the ISO is the Microsoft website. So just go ahead to Google, which I'm already there, and in the search bar type in Windows 10 ISO. And on the first link here, and just make sure it's from Microsoft, click it, and it's going to say download Windows 10 disk image or ISO file. And here it's just going to say before you begin, make sure that you have 4 gigabytes of space, DVD or USB or whatever, and make sure that your computer meets the requirements. And so here you're just going to go ahead and select the edition, select Windows 10, confirm, and now it's going to ask you for the product language. So wherever the default you want it to be, it's going to be English in my case. You can pick whatever you want from the drop down list. Confirm, and now it's going to generate a 24-hour link to download the ISOs. So they have them separated by 32-bit or 64-bit architecture, and so you're going to download whichever one you want. So if you don't know what your CPU architecture is, and it's old, I would say stick with 32, but if you have a fairly new, I would say, you know, 3 to 4 years, then go ahead and select 64-bit. Um, in most cases this should work, but if you're unsure, just go ahead and click 32-bit and that'll work on any CPU. So just go ahead and click download, and it's going to go ahead and download. And I'm just going to cancel it because I already have it downloaded for the sake of this video. And I'm just going to go ahead and remove that to the trash. Alright, so there's my ISO file here. And you're going to want to insert your USB now that you're going to want to use as an installer. And I've already have mine there. Now for the fun stuff, you're just going to go ahead and go down to Applications folder, go down to Utilities, and click Boot Camp System. So you click that, click Continue, and if you're going to install, you can just leave that there, but I'm not going to install right now. So, and Continue, and it'll automatically find your ISO if it's in the home folder. If it's anywhere else, just go ahead and click Choose and to your path. And that's your destination USB, and continue. So now it's going to format it and dump the contents of the ISO to there. So it says it's going to drive will be erased, continue, and now it's formatting the drive, and now it's copying the files. Now it may take a while once it gets to, I think, about here or here, just because this is the part where it's going to copy over the install WIM, so it's right here. And that's roughly, I want to say, about 3 gigs, so it may take a while. But anyways, so once that's done, that's it. And you can go ahead and pop it into a PC, and it'll just install fine. It doesn't really have to be a Mac. You can install it on whatever computer you have, laptop, desktop, whatever. And let's see. Yep, and now it's just dumping everything there. And that's it, guys. So if you guys have any comments, concerns, requests,